how to schedule an order for later on the Shake Shack website. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want your Shack burger ready when you are, well, in today's video I'll show you how you can schedule an order on the Shake Shack website. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here, once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Shake Shack. And now here on the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Shake Shack. Now here, simply log in with your credential and once you're logged in, you can simply choose your shack location and after that you can simply switch pickup time from ASAF to your preferred date and time, and there you can add your burgers, fries and shakes to the cart, and once you're done with that you can simply proceed to the checkout showing scheduled time. So there you can review the time and pay, and once you're done with it you will be logged in for later. And that's it. That's how you can schedule an order for later on the Shake Shack website. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.